Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to J.Essentialsss YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill a jumbo Easter bunny egg. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Basically, I'll just be showing you how to fill the egg. Well, it's like a bunny, fill the bunny, and also how to package it in case you have to deliver it to someone or send it in the mail. That way the things on the inside won't just be roaming around inside the bunny. Also, if you like and subscribe to the channel, I will also show you how you can personalize this jumbo Easter bunny. And that will be in another video. So stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. That would be greatly appreciated. So basically in this part, I will be adding the paper shreds that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. I will be evenly distributing to each bunny. Also, each bunny has been sanitized before adding the paper shreds to each bunny. Please make sure you sanitize all items before you're preparing your orders. It is extremely important because you do not know how dirty these items are, especially being in the store for so many days at a time. Next, I add the bunnies. Then I add the plastic bunnies. Each one of these bunnies are filled with candy. Next, I add the bubbles into each bunny. Then I add a stamp into each bunny. Then I begin to evenly distribute candy into each bunny. When filling the items, I try to make sure that everything is evenly distributed, just simply because if it's an order of multiple items, they don't have to worry about one getting more than the other. Every item has the same amount. So after removing the top underneath the bottom, I begin to fill it with tissue paper. So therefore, once I put the top on, the items are not roaming around inside the belly of the bunny. So here comes the fun part. Then I tuck the ears of the bunny inside and I apply the top. Closing these bunnies or any type of Easter eggs can always be a hassle, and it takes plenty of patience. So stay tuned. As you will see, I get a little nervous to leave the blue in because I second guessed myself and wondered if it was going to pop open. As you guys see, this yellow one has definitely given me a hard time, but thank you guys so much for tuning in to J.Essentialsss channel. There will be plenty of videos in the future, so please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. It will be greatly appreciated, and thank you guys again so much for tuning in.